What's up, everybody? This is Benji back with another live trading video here today for you guys. So to start, this was a Tesla trade I took. I caught the 1,000 break. I caught 998 into 1,000. I sold on the 1,005 break. So you can see to start, this is the 4-hour chart. We had this downtrend I had drawn here. You can see we tested it once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times, and we finally broke out above 850. We had confirmation above 890, and then you can see we made this big pop above 1,000. So let me put this on the 1 hour. You can get a little bit better of a view here of how we broke 1,000 here, and then we pushed up to 1040 yesterday. Look at the 5 minutes. So this was a crazy move that we had yesterday, from 1,000 to 1010, and after 1010 up to 1030, and then we pushed all the way up to 1040. So that being said, let me go ahead and get into the video. Give a little explanation what's going on here. We have the chart right here. We have times in sales for the chart. This over here is level 2 for the chart. Then we have the NASDAQ, so this is like where we can see our market sentiment, if we have that properly or not. Then we have the execution window. It's kind of hard to see, but I'm red, $318. I caught a scalp right here off the open, caught this little bit of a move, and then I chased it up here and got caught in this pullback. I just was a little greedy there. I should have just waited for that pullback to happen. So what I'm doing here, I'm noticing NQ almost looks like it's bottoming out. So Tesla looks really strong relative to NQ. So what I'm looking to see is if like we can get this Tesla move. Ooh, excuse me, I'm so sorry. So I'm looking to see if we can get this Tesla move to the upside, this bull flag, with NQ reversing to the upside or bottoming out and bouncing. So I'm watching this 995 area for an early entry if we get some momentum. And then I was going to add right before 998 broke and hold that into the 1,000 break. So I'm just going to play the video here. You can see NQ is going towards that bottom VWAP. That's what that is. It looks like it's making lows. It looks weak. Tesla is having red to green candles here, looking really strong. Very strong. So I'm watching that 994, 995 area for a starter entry. You see we start pushing, we get the 995, I get in with my starter position. It's $22.50 for the fill. I'm already up $100 from where I bought. This pushed up really nice. Right before 998 I added again. I'm in with a total of 4 contracts. And then look at NQ here at 14,480. It looks like we're bottoming out here. We didn't close below. It looks like we're starting to bounce. And then look at Tesla here. So I'm just waiting for 998 to break here. Just being super patient. You can see over here on level 2, we're about 20 cents away. There we go. We pushed up. I'm just still waiting. 999 broke, and then 1,000 broke, and then I took off. Right there, I took off 2 contracts and made around $300, I think. So now I'm just waiting. I'm still in with 2 contracts. I'm just looking to slowly scale out of this. On the new high, I think I exit 1 more position, and then look at NQ again, guys. Back above 14,500, back to my EMA. A great call on catching that bounce and the weakness there, or the Tesla strength compared to NQ. And you can see I just took another contract off there. I should have waited, been more patient on it, but it's all good. So I'm over here setting my last limit order at 28. I have it ready. These contracts are at 28.50 or 27.50. My goal here was basically, I know these contracts are going to be above 28 if we get above 10.05. So I had my sell there, and then as it pushes up, I get out. Should have just waited, been more patient. I should have sold that first contract there and then held the last one and tried to get a 30 fill. You can see we're already at 29.80. So I left another freaking $200 or $400 on the table there. So I could have been more patient. I could have scaled out even slower, but you know, I'm super happy with the scalp. I made $1,300 on that trade. It says 1030 right here, but it was 1300 since I was red. And you can just see Tesla just goes nuts here. You know, we rally like the whole day. We get this nice little pullback under 1,000. They buy it right back up. Let's see. Yeah, so I stopped the recording there. So I wanted to show you guys one other thing here about this trade. So I luckily, and you know, I'm really grateful, but I just got blessed with TSLA. So I wanted to show you guys what this looked like on here. You can see I made a net total of 1,300. You can even like zoom in here and look at where I traded it. Here we go. So you can see I entered right here. It doesn't like show the exact place you entered, it just shows the candle. But I entered right here and then added here. And you can see I scaled out here and here. So I had really good execution there. You can like scroll down, you can see your fills. So like my buy fills was 22.50 for this batch, and then 24 for this batch. So you're able to put in your stop loss here and your profit target. So I put my stop loss at around 21. And that's about where I would have sold if it pulled back anything under 995. It would have been around a 21 fill, so I put 21 there. And then since those contracts hit 30 and I sold one for about 28, I just put 30 as my profit target there. You can see that gives us about a 3.0 risk versus reward. So it was good. I'm really happy with this trade. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure you keep following for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.